Hi guys, so this is the first video for end of year review. This is integer operations. So we have two numbers here. I have -7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And -10. Are there any opposites to cancel? No. So I just add them all up. And we have -17. Alright, let's do it again. +3, -16, alright, do I have opposites? Yes, so one positive cancels with a negative, one positive cancels with a negative, positive cancels with a negative. What is left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So my answer is -13. Alright, one more time. -12. And +3. Do they cancel? Yes. 1, 1, 1. 1. How many negatives are left over? So I have -9. Alright, moving on to multiplying and dividing. Let's go back to our rules. So I create a tic-tac-toe board. Put my equal signs here. Plus signs go diagonal. And negative everywhere else. Okay, so before I even begin, I can see I have a negative multiplied with a negative. So when I look at my chart, that's here. So that means this answer is going to be a positive number, no matter what I get. This one has a +6 times a -2. I look at my chart. A positive times a negative is going to be a negative answer. And then the last one, I have a positive divided by a positive, and that always remains positive. Alright, so let's think of 4 times 3. So 4, 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that is how many total? That's 12, so my answer is +12. 6 times -2, so I know my answer is going to be negative. So I have 6 2 times. So that is -12. Hey, look at that, same answer. So basically what I did there was, this is how many dots, number of dots. And this number tells me how many times we write it. Okay? When we are dividing, this number is still the number of dots. So I have 35. Alright, and this number, the second number, is how many times I can split it. How many groups of 7? So I count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's one group. 2 groups. 3 groups. 4 groups. 5 groups. So my answer is +5. Alright, let's move on to our word problems. So the Bellport football team runs 3 plays in a row. They lose 4 yards on the first play. So lose means negative. Then they gain 2 yards, so +2, and 7 yards. What's the team's total? So let's do this. -4, +2, and then +7. Alright, let's cancel them out. This cancels, 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 this cancels. How many is left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they are +5 yards. Alright, let's check out the next one. At 6 a.m., the temperature was -6 degrees. By 3 p.m., it had risen 14. What is the new temperature? So I have -6, +14, and I cancel. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is +8 degrees. All right. Maria recorded the temperature change every hour for 8 hours as a cold front approached. The temperature dropped steadily of a total of 38 degrees over the 8-hour period. So 32 is my total, divided by 8 hours. Alright, so if I had 32 dots, how many groups of 8 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4. Okay, so 4 degrees in the first hour. Alright, which quotient's equal to -4? So I'm looking for a negative. So I can tell all of these are going to be 4. But I need to determine if it's positive or negative. So using my rules. So the first one is a negative and a negative. So that brings me here. So this is going to be positive. The second one is the same thing. 2 negatives make a positive. The third one is a positive and a negative. So that's this first row. That means it's a negative. And the last is a negative and a negative, so that's also a positive. So the answer choice that gets me a -4 is choice C. Alright, as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to put them at the end of the video. I'll see you tomorrow.